GiantWell, a mechanical water flow meter, is a traditional, cost-effective device for measuring water consumption in residential, commercial, and municipal systems. It operates using mechanical components like gears, turbines, or pistons driven by water flow. Common applications include household billing, apartment complexes, irrigation systems, and industrial water management. Its durability and no power requirements make it ideal for remote or off-grid areas. Mechanical meters are widely used in municipal water distribution networks to monitor usage and detect leaks. However, they may lack high precision in low-flow conditions compared to digital meters. Proper installation, e.g., avoiding debris or air bubbles, ensures accuracy and longevity. Their simplicity and low maintenance keep them relevant despite advancements in smart metering.